Hi everyone, and welcome back to my studio, and I hope you're having a good time. Welcome to another episode of Challenge or Be Challenged. Now this month we don't have a special guest, and this challenge is going to take us 2 weeks to complete. So tonight you're seeing part 1. For part 1, we are going to do a pour that will become the background for the thing we're going to put over the pour next week. So you'll have to come back next week to see how see what happens. So I'm going to do my background pour, doing a bloom swipe, and then you'll have to see what I'm going to add next week. So let's get down to the table and have some fun. Okay, for this pour, I'm going to be working on a 14 by 14 level 1 canvas. It is taped and push pinned, and it is sitting on my spinner, and I've got it nice and centered for me, or pretty much centered. So I'm very happy about that. For my colors, I have from this little Piggy, I have Mermaid and Sea Glass. And from Eye Candy Pigments, I have Skyline Blue, Nebula Green, Oihe Blue, 14K Nugget Gold, and Ninja Black. My cell activator is going to be Titanium White, and my base is going to be Sherwin Agreeable Gray. I've got some almost empty containers, but I do have a new one if I run low, so we'll see. I am going to be doing a bloom swipe of sorts. I want to get a water theme for my starting. So give me a second. Let's get some base coat down and we'll be ready to get going. Now, I do want to give a big shout out to my local Sherwin-Williams guys. I was over there seeing them get some more stuff, including more of this color, because that one, not sure there's anything left in this one. Not really. And I know there's some in the other container, but we're going to use these two up, and then I've got a new one. Still got a little more in there. Big glob in this. Hold on. I just saw that go. Did you see that? Look at this. There's a big goober. Especially with a square canvas, you do not want to leave dry spots, because you're going to have trouble getting out to these little corners anyway. Okay. Let's get some colors down. Well, because I'm swiping and I want it to sort of have a water feel, I'll put my colors around a little differently than you might do if you were like blowing out. trying to do is make sure I don't have any of that agreeable gray showing in the center zone. Don't want a lot of black, just want a tiny bit of black here and there. End with putting a whole batch of the sparkle in. Palette knife and load it up with some cell activator. All right, so round one. It over here. It got a little funky near the end there. That's okay. We've got lots of space for playing here. All right. I like this and this. And this is nice in here, and that's really good. Over here it's a little, yeah. So we may give that a little bit more of a, then another run real quick. And I don't mind the swerves and the lines because I want it to look like there's wave and motion. All right, let me move things out of the way here. Start spinning this. Now you don't want to spin super fast. We don't need to throw paint everywhere. It's going to stretch naturally. We want to keep the mess to a minimum. Tilt just to help the weight of the paint. Push it off a little more to one side or the other. Is pick up some of this over here where I've got some color and put it over here. Rush this. You want to take your time. Don't overspin it crazily. Give time to do its thing. All right, let's see if we're moving still. You want to make sure you get enough paint off that you're not really moving very much. At least not moving quickly. And that's when you know you've gotten enough off. I can live with it. That is really pretty. Wow. All right, let me clean this up. I've got to wipe down my edges a little, and then I will bring you in for a close-up. Okay, wet results. Oh, there is so much shimmer in this. That 14 gauge gold is just making this sparkle. Really happy. I really got that ocean wavy feel that I wanted. I've got lots of shimmer. Oh. All right, let's hope this dries well. Hang in there for dry results. Okay, we have dry results. It dried beautifully. There is so much sparkle here. I'm not sure you're gonna be able to see it, but that 14K gold is sparkling throughout the piece. My beautiful waves. Very happy with my ocean look. Not sure this is the right lighting, but I was trying to figure out what was not too dark and what was not too glary, because the shine in this is gorgeous. Oh, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now, this is part 1 of a 2-part challenge. So if you want to see what we're going to do with the background pours, you got to come back next Friday. Now, before me, you should have seen Lance from Lance's Fluid Fusion. Janet with Acrylic Creations by Jwitty took the night off, but we'll be back next week. Please look down in the description box to find all the links, and have a wonderful weekend, everyone.